I was writing my second book for poems for children, From the Belly Button of the Moon, and I was having problems with our collection. And I said, the poems that were not coming through. And I told my mother, and my mother said to me, Francisco, come with me. Let's go to Mexico this summer, and let's go back, and and so you can live again when you were a child and you visited that little town, her hometown. And so I went with my mother and my father and my siblings to this town for 1 week. Let me tell you, in 1 week that I was there, everything becomes clear again in my mind. And I come back and I wrote a book in a few days. And so, and that to me was a lesson, saying, you cannot fake it, at least in my kind of poetry that I write. I don't write fiction. Fiction to me is it's not part of my vocabulary. I write about testimonies, about life, about what happens to me, what happens to my friends, what happens to my family, what happens in the world.